Hello, beautiful soul family. Rebecca here, your vibe mentor, bringing you another video on how to raise your vibrations so you can live your best life. Let's talk today real quick about money. Money, money, money. It is a funny topic for some. And many times there is a difficult relationship behind the scenes that people are not quite aware of. That maybe you hesitate to open your mail, or you hesitate to look at your bank account, or you spend without fully knowing how much is available, or you overspend, or you spend a lot on credit cards, or you have little to no investments, little to no retirement. All of these things obviously are an unhealthy relationship with money. And so as purpose-driven entrepreneurs, we really have to get clear on money as our friend, money as a tool for us to be used, and our relationship with money. And I want to say that one more time because that is the critical component. What is your relationship with money? Many of us will say, oh, I wish I had a lot of money. And yet we're afraid to look at our bank account. That there is an obvious disconnect in that. And so a couple of things that I would like to encourage you to think about, to start to dabble with, or maybe even just entertain the idea of, that if we are, as purpose-driven entrepreneurs, we are here to create the new systems, the new structures that will take the place of the old as it continues to fall away over the next couple of years. That being a spiritual person doesn't mean that you have to be a tarot card reader or a psychic, that we need conscious beings in every single aspect of life. So no matter what your past career has looked like, or what your passions and your interests are, you are made perfectly imperfect for your purpose, and whatever desires or yearnings you have are pointing you towards the thing that you are here to do. The ability that you have been given, right? The talent that you have been given to offer to the world, that the world collectively needs, the gifts that only you can offer. And so next time money comes, next time your mail comes, open that mail excitedly. And every time you see a bill, you offer gratitude. Say, thank you that I have the money to pay this bill. And if you don't in that moment have the money, you say, thank you that I'm gonna have the money to pay this bill. Every time we need to shift that conversation. Every time something shows up unexpectedly, we offer gratitude and say, thank you. If this bill is here, if this cost is here, this means that the money is here as well. Also start to check your bank account regularly. Get really intimate with that thought process that happens as you log in. What happens as you look at each charge? How are you feeling in your body? Are you resonating at a high frequency of gratitude for all that has come in, even though it moves out? Because that means more will come in and will continue to move through. Not to mention, many times, especially nowadays, people will be charging you for things they shouldn't be. And you will start to catch things and say, that's not right. I don't know what bank you bank with, but with my bank, I can, as quick as a button, say, no, I didn't approve that. And they will put the money back in my account and disconnect me from that vendor. So really spend the time. Just think about this. Think about money as a person. And if you, if you knew that a friend of yours was standing on the other side of the door, but you chose to only open that door maybe once a month if you're lucky, maybe once every couple of months, how would that friend feel? Would they stand outside that door and wait for you to continue opening the door? Or would they go somewhere else while someone is going to let them in? Looking at your money, looking at your bank account every day is making peace with the feelings that come up and moving through them and saying, hello, money, my good old friend, what will we create today? Right? And make friends with your money. That is the relationship that you need to have. You need to have that feeling of, and I will never say that you love money, but a feeling of, hello, my good friend, what will we create together today? Right? There is a difference between allowing money to control you, to drive you, to create fears in your life, versus being a tool and an asset. Think of yourself as the artist, and money is your paintbrush or your paint. It allows you to create beautiful things. So another thing is, look at how intimate you are with your money, right? You want to be as close with your money, friendship-wise, energetically, as you are with an intimate partner. You want to know every aspect of who they are, how they behave, what they do, what they like, what they want to create. Your money is going to have a different personality than someone else's money. And also remember too, money likes to work. Money likes to create. Money likes to be used for good things. And going back to the friend example, if your friend has all of these talents and abilities and you leave them out in the cold on the other side of the door and you're saying, thank you, no, thank you. I don't want to look at you today. I don't want to talk to you. You make me really uncomfortable. Their talents are going to waste. They're feeling underappreciated, undervalued, right? So they're gonna go take their ability to do these beautiful things somewhere else, right? Money likes to work. Do you know how to make money work for you? Do you know did you know that many people invest in so many different assets that the interest on their assets are greater than their cost of living, so they don't have to work? That's how that works. So understanding what is an asset, how do I make my money work for me? How do I get intimate with and play with? How do we work together? How do we co-create? Not just heaven on earth, but a beautiful life for yourself, right? Money wants to be your friend and it wants to work for you, but it will not come to you if you are afraid of it, right? It will not come to you if it feels that it will be ignored and it will be abandoned and left alone and misused and mistreated. So again, if you are a conscious, purpose-driven entrepreneur, we have to make friends with money. We chose to incarnate here in this realm, on this planet Earth, in this time. And at this time, money makes the world go round. Money is just an energy. It is not inherently good or bad. It really depends on how you use it and your intentions that move through it. We need more conscious, kind, good-hearted people, honest people with integrity to steward the world's resources. That's how we make a shift and change. That's how we change the way that this world is working. So get familiar with your money. Be friends with your money. Make a shift and change in your life. Learn. Start to watch videos. Start to read books. Learn. What are assets? Did you know a YouTube channel is an asset? Did you know that writing a book is an asset? Did you know building a business is an asset? It's more than just stocks and bonds. So dig into it. Make friends with money. Have fun. Play with it. And get excited about what we're going to create together, because the next few years to come are going to be awesome and amazing. All right. I love you, my friends. Please do make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next video. Namaste.